everybody, today we're going to evaluate the limit if it exists. We have the limit as h approaches 0 of the square root of 9 plus h minus 3 over h. Now the denominator h and h approaches 0, so you can guess that you can't apply the quotient law and you can't use the direct substitution. Looking at our problem, you also see that you cannot factor. But you can see that you have a square root in the numerator. So what we can do here, we can rationalize the numerator. Now we can rationalize the numerator. So we multiply the numerator by square root of 9 plus h plus 3. Make sure you have the same thing in the denominator. You multiply on both the numerator and the denominator. And what do you get? So this is similar in algebra. Let me refresh your memory. A minus b times a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Okay, so we are multiplying the sum and the difference of two numbers. So this one would be your a and this one would be your b. Okay, so we get the limit as h approaches 0 of a squared. Let me make that step here, minus b squared 3 squared divided by h times this. So h times square root of 9 plus h plus 3. Okay, and that would give us, this would be equal to the limit as h approaches 0. The square cancels the square root. The radicand comes out as 9 plus h minus 3 squared, which is 9, divided by, I'm not going to distribute the h, I'm going to leave it like this, h times square root of 9 plus h plus 3. The 9 and negative 9, they cancel out here. You'll be left with the limit as h approaches 0 of h divided by h square root of 9 plus h plus 3. The h and the h cancel out, so this will be 1 here, and you'll be left with the limit as h approaches 0 of 1 over square root of 9 plus h plus 3. Now you can apply direct substitution. If you apply direct substitution, what do we get? We have 1 over, plug in 0 for h, we get square root of 9 plus 0 plus 3, whoops, this is in the denominator, and that will give us 1 over square root of 9 plus 3, and square root of 9 is 3, so 3 plus 3, and that is equal to 1 over 3 plus 3, which is 6. So the limit in our example exists and it's equal to 1 over 6. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.